How to track your Walmart order. Place an order on Walmart. Let's track it in just a few easy steps. First, go to walmart.com or open the Walmart app. Click the account icon in the top right. From the menu, select Purchase History. This is where all your orders are stored. If you are not signed up with Walmart account, you can still track your order status. Enter your email address and enter your order number. Then tap View Order Status. Here you will find the carrier name, tracking number, and estimated delivery date. And that's it. Now you can track your Walmart order like a pro. If this helped you, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick shopping tips. See you in the next one. Happy shopping!